Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir B. Now, today we're going to talk about Omar Collymore again. The quote-unquote man. When I tell them, they say, people like them, yeah, just remind me, say, human beings can be cooler than the reptile them. The crocodile now have nothing on some of them people there. The python, the cobra, will slither on the ground. Now have nothing upon some of them people there. Whichever mammal, man, whichever fish, man, anything you want to think about to then say vicious. Man. Human beings can't top that. Omar Collymore top them. But so when I tell them, to say there's a pattern. Simone wasn't the first spooky case. To the mega talk about the other woman who we know about, who knows how much. Sometimes a girlfriend named Angela Aguilar died under similar circumstances. I talk about it, but before I'm going to tell, I have two things. First one up is a Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to a name on the year I get shout out for literally years now. I talk about SP, 4-year veteran at the PIA. I tune in even before that. 4-year veteran. So I tell them this, I start to feel like a dinosaur now. I start to feel like a dinosaur. SP, been in the movement. Right. All the time them say, they might cancel we, I burn out this. SP, long time supporter, always with the movement. See, when I name talk about the PI and the Patreon squad, I want to understand, so these are people who I reason with. We message and we reason about certain issues. Right. We don't have to agree on every single thing, but generally, we're looking in the same direction and we want the best for Jamaica. We want the best for the youths who will inherit Jamaica. So now if you agree upon everything, we agree upon where Jamaica needs to be. And that's not where Jamaica is now. Some real high level thinkers in my Patreon squad now, they make me sharper. Sometimes they challenge me. Right, I have to dig deeper. Sharpen up my skills. So SP and enough of the people them in the Patreon squad and the PIAST. Rate them highly. So SP, big up yourself. Hope you enjoy yourself. Right, hope you enjoy your birthday. Wish you 100 more year. Right, the big boss, the queen, SP. Next up, forewarning of our next Bad Mind video. People have sent me a video from the DJ Sheba. Remember Sheba from your favorite artist camp? Remember me telling them that he was like a pimp. All the name and hype you see them that have, them never make no money. As Da Vinci said, right? He might be named but him still poor. Well, people have sent me a video from Sheba's son. I talk about it. I go touch on it, but I not go focus on the thing I go focus on. Because I not go focus on the part where I mention to them grow up poor even though it's my Sheba's son. I already tell them to say God's artists and make the money. But the Sheep Nation them try load up the people them and code on the people them for quote unquote be grateful, right, for being used and abused and exploited. Because Sheep Nation value hype and that's all them get with it, hype. Right. The reason why Popcorn escaped because him literally escaped and going to our next camp fast. As Barbas drop a jail, Popcorn run gone. That's why him escape. The one them that walk on but we loyal. So that's why you can't even sit down a bad mind man for hype. None of them have it harder than you. You might see them on the road and beg them a thing. Man. And you can tell no, you might pre them and say them mean and them wicked, but they not have it. Why am I going to talk about Sheba's son? It's because the young man said something that I was very impressed with. Very impressed. One part of the clip stand out to me. Same I got to an artist, as it's customary. I mean, I wish more youths would see that there's more to life than being DJ and play sports and chop line, but The youths them want what them want, and if them have the talent, then so be it. Hope it work out for him. But him say something in the video that I found very impressive, you know. That means that the boy head up on him body. As young as him is, him smarter than enough of the old DJ them. So I'm going to talk about it tomorrow. I'm going to point it out to you know which part Sheba son lick the nail upon the head. I hope that boy keep him head up. I'm going in an industry that's very tainted. I'm telling you, so most people go in the entertainment industry. All the time they go in there with the head on them body. Within no time them tainted. So I root for him, but this youth have him head on him body. Right, I'm going to play a clip. Then tomorrow, and the same video, I'm going to touch on something I hear regarding CXC. Very disappointing news. I'm going to touch on it because both of them concerns the youth. And you know I'm passionate about the future of the youths. So look out for that tomorrow. Today, I talk about Omar Collymore. By now you know I'm to Simone. But it's not his first time at the rodeo. I know Simone probably aware of the story, but I go over it. Because if you understand, so there's usually a pattern. When you see people have certain behaviors and traits about them, usually there's a pattern. If you notice, like a serial killer, usually don't just have one victim and stop. There's usually a pattern. Even before them first murder, you can look back on previous things that built up to the killing. So enough mass murderers, enough of the most evil people in the world, them start out with things like torturing animals and them something before they reach humans. You can see a pattern into how them get us. That's often the case. Whenever you see a man is extremely brutish to a woman, there is usually a pattern. If you talk to him ex-girlfriend them, and you interview them separately, don't make them talk publicly, you know. I'm not talking about a public case because once somebody can go public and then everybody follow. I'm talking about privately. Interview the ex them privately and separately, and you can hear a pattern in certain behaviors. So watch this. Omar Collymore did have a girlfriend named Aguilar. She was killed in Florida 2008 after Simone Collymore lose her life alongside the taxi driver Winston Watson. Uncle Sam investigators them go hear the story and say rotted. Now you see him boy that, cause the member say Omar Collymore was a suspect in a very spooky murder. That murder is Angela Aguilar's murder. Listen to this. Angela also had a life insurance policy. Her own was US $1 million. Remember, this a girlfriend, you know. Angela had a son, Elijah. Somehow this brother managed to convince Angela to give him 40% of her life insurance policy. So it look like he might go up in a percentage now. So him start off at 40% with Angela. Or who knows if there's somebody else. But in the 40% with Angela, by the time he reached Simone, he reached 70. So when Angela died, he collected US $400,000. Let me repeat. US $400,000. More know what kind of lyrics this brother here I put in a woman's ears. Me want to know what Omar Collymore has said to or do to them woman here. Our son get 600,000. Omar got 400,000. And me see they mention say her son. So it don't look like a female youth. Cause it never said their son. It say her son. Almost a 50-50 split. Now again, before the jump, and start fling back laugh at me, people can do what they want to do. People can do what they want to do. But I'm just making my stance known. Me not give no girlfriend no 40% of my life insurance policy. I'm giving up it 60. Even though that's a majority, that's way too close. You can have your girlfriend, you can have your long time partner who you rate, and you feel say something damn to you, she must get this and that. No problem there. Enough woman stand by man's side through thick and thin, and officially them never married, but then they with the man no long. I don't think that woman they must, right, for us not get nothing at all. There's nothing wrong if a man wants to say, or somebody wants to say them want their girlfriend, or in this case their boyfriend, get something this done to them. Nothing wrong with that. But 40% of $1 million policy, sorry, I'm not doing it. Not doing it. 40% is too much. That's too close to the youth one. Because you get 60%, you get 40%, that's too much. That's too much. That one, I want to take off a little piece more. As me say, you can leave money for girlfriend if you want. You can leave money out for your friend. You can leave money for whoever you want. You can put whoever you want on a policy and say, if something happens to me, this person get that. I have no problem with that. But what I worry about, what I like is to split them on and give it to them. I don't like to split them on and give it to them. The pit them, right, split kind of look a bit. Now, this is what I'm thinking. If she rate Omar Collymore to the point that she willing to give him 40% of $1 million US policy, that means that at some point she was convinced that this brother really, right, is the man for her, and she really love him. But when she did, Omar Collymore was a suspect. But they couldn't link him to the murder. Because the reason why they catch Omar Collymore is because when Simone did, the whole light get catched on camera. You didn't get catched on camera, so no man start talk. In this instance, that nobody didn't get catched. So they couldn't tie him to the murder. That's what he was hoping with the Simone Collymore case, and he probably felt confident because he must say, well, if they couldn't tie him into this in Florida, then they can't tie him to this in the Ironman. Angela was killed 3:30 a.m. in the morning as they were, on their way to go quote unquote meet friends at one local spot. Collymore saying come out of a vehicle and an unknown 87 was approach and shot her in the head and chest. But he was not hurt. How convenient. So Collymore wasn't hurt. So the same story, two different locations. Prison too good for them, man. One thing I understand, say taxpayer go fund the brother. Whatever sentence him get, a taxpayer go pay for it. This is why they can't make me get involved in them law business anyway, cause me have to go tell him, you see that 400,000 US they get off my first life insurance policy, use it and buy your food at prison for the rest of your life. Because taxpayer have to go feed Collymore. Whatever we want to say about Omar Collymore, you want to sit down in that jail for a long time being fed by the taxpayer. Fed and sheltered by the taxpayer, no. Them money belong with him own kind. The reptile them. A Black River them money for there with crocodile. A fiend people them that. Can't a human being this. Walk to this man I go tell me about. You can't say that he still has feelings. Feelings? Them name Diani. You know whose feelings I'm concerned about? The feelings of the pit of them who get left motherless and were being comforted by this mother who killed their mother. That's whose feelings enough to worry about. You see, when you're not ready for a real serious justice system, let me know. You see, some of these people who do things like this, people like Omar Collymore, should be made to fund the therapy after them pitney, you know. Anywhere the money if come from, it must come out of their pocket to pay for the therapy of these children. When 87s and these people like Omar Collymore or whoever, people like Julian Silveira, when them kill, the government need to start making them pay for the therapy sessions at the pitney them we get left behind. Because I don't know how you are going to explain this to one child. Say, mommy dead and her daddy kill her. And our daddy died in prison. Over life insurance money. But we're not ready for no serious justice system. We want the system hard for people who don't like. Right? And soft and sloppy and full of loopholes for the people who do like. Extraordinary. Anyway, There's a pattern. I'm not talking about no clothes. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Culture squad, stay circling. Bless.